The question that is the internet, is the Facebook, is the YouTube, is the WhatsApp, is it the new God? Because humans, they spend so much of time on the social media that one just comes to feel or think logically that is this a new God? Let me answer this question. I am myself asking this question, and I would myself answer this question so that people can think about this. As compared to the humans, every human has got the internet which is there inside. There are many of the cells which are talking to each other, which are communicating. They might not be having a WhatsApp, they might not be having those, Facebook username and passwords, but they are communicating with each other. And when there is a good event that happens, they feel happy and they communicate happiness. When there is something negative that happens, then they internally feel sad, and then they communicate by using the intracellular pathways to communicate the wrong emotions. So, a person who is connected to the internet, he seeks that what he is particularly vibrating on. He seeks information based on his level of vibration, on his level of knowledge, on his level of intelligence. So, why not engage in uplifting your conscience to a level that you only see that which is vibrating at a higher frequency? Then definitely, yes, the internet, the Facebook, the WhatsApp, the YouTube, it has got the potential to become God. Because humans also, they store memories, and as compared to the internet, it also is storing memories. But what makes the humans different is that they attach emotions to the memories. And if emotionally you are vibrating at a higher frequency, you will only see positive things. You will not see a negative event, you will not see a negative emotion, and in case you see, you will always maintain your equilibrium because you are vibrating at a gross positive energy. So these things, it won't affect you psychologically. So it is very, very important to keep this thing in mind. The mental health, the yoga, the pranayam, the sadhanas that we have learned, okay, that help you increase the vibrations of your conscious. And when you keep aligned with these vibrations throughout the day, you only connect to those events, episodes, and memories that are being flashed on the social media, which relate to your vibrations. So always I have this sacred message, being a sincere yoga practitioner, that to keep mentally healthy, to keep mentally fit, you engage in those activities that have a high vibration, and you seek only that God on the internet, or that God on the Facebook, or that YouTube, which has got a loving emotion, which has got a positive emotion, which has got a positive vibration attached to that memory, or a video channel, or the news channel. So I wish you good luck, and I wish you can share this to your colleagues who are going through a little bit of an emotional disturbance at this point in time. And that's how we are going to come and try to overcome these memories. Thank you.